Sometimes when you want to execute an interaction inside of Ableton Live, you maybe will get a warning message mentioning you that the action or command you want to apply may make a more or less impacting result to the global project or data files you've got in the project than you first had assumed to do with this option. For example, if you want to apply a MIDI file, notable by the extension MID, with a different tempo and time signature than your current project has to your actual project. Inside of these warnings you will have now an option that tells Ableton Live when enabled to not show this warning of this type ever again, in this or other projects or live sets, and Live will ever apply your or the now following made decision whenever you do the same interaction. So I'm gonna choose don't show again here and make no. So every time you use the interaction relative to this warning again, in this case the importing of a MID file, this warning message will appear and Live will automatically execute the decision you've made as where you've enabled the don't show again button. Assume now, for instance, you've changed your opinion that it may be more protective for the project or the projects in the future to show this warning again. But how we do that? Go into the preferences, choose the Look Feel tab and click on Don't Show Again Warnings, click on the Restore button. Every time you will do now a warning message relative interaction, the warning of this kind of interaction will appear again. Thank you for watching this video.